Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3, that's C8A, the boiler blower valve body for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's go to File, New, Advanced, Part MMGS. Then we're going to go to right plane, sketch. It's going to be a circle. Let's do 2 circles. Center, and that's going to be 16. Oh, no, not circle. Mention 16 and M10, which will put the thread in this a little bit later. 10. That's going to be feature, extrude, mid plane. That's going to be 21. And done. That's that part done for now. Now on the end of this one, we're going to do a normal sketch, and that's going to be a hexagonal. Zoom out, thank you. That one there. Click out. That's going to be 19. And that's going to be a width of 5. Feature, extrude, 5, and done. Go fillet that 1, 2, nope. Do that one, get rid of that one. Try 3, 2.1, 2.2, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9. 3 didn't work, did it? Nope. So 2.9. There we go. 2.9. Let's put the nice little bit of edge on there. That's cool. Now we want. Okay, so at the end of this one, we shall do sketch. I'm not worried about normalize. We want cylinder center. That's going to be 10. So, oh, sorry. Smart dimension. 10. That's going to be extrude out by 8. And done. Now this part here will be sketch, circle. That's going to be 5. That's going to be feature, extrude. Nope, not that one, sorry. Up to next. And done. There we go. Now, we want I should have done that hole last. We've got to do one piece up. Sometimes it's best to do all the pieces and do the holes later. So sometimes it's best to do that. But we'll probably have to recut it out, so That's fine. Let me just do it this way. So we want top. Not that it really matters, but we're going to go normal 2 and sketch. That's going to be a circle. I'm not going to put a second circle. It's a whole no one, but I'm not going to do that just yet. So dimension from that edge to that one, it's going to be 13. That's exact. And that's going to be 10. And that's going to be feature extrude 13 plus 8, because this is 16. It's 13 from the bottom there, but I'm starting halfway, so plus 8 because that's 16. And done. Yeah, still got that part in there. So sometimes best to do the circle holes the last though. Okay. Okay, so sketch on that side. Circle. Touch the center there, so then you got the center of the circle, because that center's out. That's not the center of this circle, so that's the center of the whole thing. So sometimes you can't always use that. And that is 5 mil. 5 mil. Extrude up to next and done. That's good. Now we need to cut that out. As I said, I didn't do the circle first. I could put this piece in, do that circle, then do that circle. So sometimes it's best not to do these circles. Draw a hole straight away. So sketch, circle, click on that, feature, extrude. That's good to show different ways too. So up to next. Nope. Up to go blind. Actually, what I'll probably do is 21. Let's keep that 21 because that's what it was. So there we go. So it worked out the same, but just it was extra steps. So let's see. That's everything in there. Yes, it is. You know, we just need to do a 10 mil on here, 10 mil inside, 10 mil outside, and we just need to shove a little chamfer on there. Not quite. That's a bit better. One. There you go. 1 mil, and that is done. Okay, quick save. We now want thread. We want 10 mil. Ten by 1.5 thing I've been using, if I remember correctly. Start there to there. Oh, there, sorry. God, it doesn't move automatically. And we've got, we've got that right. Green, hopefully that's the right way this time. Trim and trim. And I bet you it's the wrong way. Oh, we got the right way. Makes a nice change. Okay, so again with this one, thread from there, click that to there. Okay, because that's oblong, it's not enjoying it. Okay, so if I go to if I swap these two around, what's that do? If I do that one, let me delete that, clear the selection. clear. So if we do from there, okay, gotta do that first. From there to there, what does it do? Nope, it does not like that either. Interesting. Okay, I'm just going to do a little technique I've done once before. I'm going to go out of that. I'm going to go to normal, sketch. I'm going to do a hole. Let me get the center point. Let me mark dimension. That one to that one. Oh, no, that's not going to work. What's that? 10. So let me just do that one. It's going to be 9.95. And okay. Let me do another circle. That one's going to be 10. 10. Feature. Extrude. What's that say? 13. Say 12.5. Say 13. What's that do? 13. There we go. See, now I've got the circle on there. Now what I can do is, this is like a workaround. Thread. Grab that one. And that one. Oh man, I keep it, it doesn't change. I'm used to the others change, otherwise this one doesn't. Okay, that one there. There we go. It's a workaround. It's not perfect, not ideal. Now, if you're doing this for like a professional, really professional job, you would not do it that way. So, if anyone knows how I can do a thread from there up, let me know. Or got any idea what I can see done, I would appreciate it. Thank you. Extrude, trim and trim. So I'm always happy to learn. I'm always happy to teach others if I learn something new. There we go. Now we need one on this side. Now, this probably should have gone, because this has got to go away the end. All the way in? Shows all the way in. Okay, so let's try thread. The end. The end. Where are we? Extrude. Trim and trim. And done. Extrude thread still on the surface. Use cut thread. Oh, dang it. Cut, sorry. And done. Oh, that worked out. That's right. Yeah, being cut. I was too sure the hole would screw it up. But no, it worked out good. Okay, it should be done. Let me flip it around a bit. Alright, that's part 3-38A, the boiler blower valve body done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Welcome all new subscribers. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.